Hello, and welcome back to Aligana tutorial series. In this video, we'll be discussing how to ship parcels with aligana.com. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. After placing your purchase order on aligana.com and your parcels arrive at the Aliganas China warehouse, the next step is to request Aligana to pack your selected parcels and consolidate them for forwarding to your destination address. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do just that. Step 1. Log into your Aligana account and navigate to the User Center. Step 2. Tap Menu and select Shipping Orders under the Forwarding Service menu. Step 3. On the Shipping Orders page, the All tab is pre-selected. Click on the Submit to Ship tab and select all the products you want to ship. Step 4. Click on the Confirm Delivery button at the top left side. Step 5. On the next page, select your destination address or add a new address that is not already in your address book. Step 6. Select your preferred available shipping mode and submit your shipping order. Step 7. Aligana will pack and consolidate your order and provide you with a freight quote. This process may take up to 24 hours. Step 8. At the Shipping Orders page, click on the Pay Freight tab to see the shipping orders that you need to pay for. Step 9. Click on the Pay Shipping button and pay for your shipping through the available payment options. Congratulations! You have now successfully submitted your forwarding order. All you need to do now is wait for Aligana to ship out your package and update your tracking number and other relevant details. That's it. With these simple steps, you can easily submit your parcels for shipping on aligana.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. See you in the next segment.